Hi everyone and welcome to VizCourse and welcome to my channel. My name's Claudio. I'm a 3D Arch Viz artist for the past 17 years. I've been running my own studio for 15 years and I've been tutoring one-on-one for the past 4 years. And in those 4 years, I've discovered my love and my passion to teach 3D. My course is designed for the beginners, for someone who has never opened up Max before, for individuals that have tried and failed and not getting the results that they want, or even for the person who has a little bit of knowledge and just struggling with 3D Max. I will teach you everything that you need to know. So it's easy for me to say, I'll teach you everything. What does that mean? I'm going to teach you about the navigation inside 3D Max, the viewport settings. We'll go through the menus as well as the menu tools such as mirror, array, align, the spacing tool. We'll understand copies, instances, and groups. We'll dive into the main toolbar and understand all the settings there. We will understand layers and how to use them. We'll go through the Create tab and we'll learn about the geometry and the splines. Then we'll have in-depth lessons on Edit Poly mode, where we will learn about the vertex, edge, border, polygon, and element mode. The Edit Spline mode has its own lessons dedicated to the vertex, segment, and spline. From there, we can go into the compound objects. We will learn all the modifiers that we use for the Edit Poly mode, as well as the Edit Spline mode for the Arch Viz industry. We will learn how to link objects inside 3D Max. We will learn how to do importing properly. The Max FX toolbar has its very own lesson as well. From there, we'll discuss how to master axis constraints, the Xform functions, scripts and plugins, which ones we use, and of course, how to install them. Using XREF in 3D Max is very important. We have lessons on that. And then finally, we will have a lesson on understanding how to read an AutoCAD plan. And we will model a full interior and exterior home. And as a bonus to my comprehensive 3D Max course, you get me as your mentor and your guide. I will be available in a private Discord channel that is for students only, where I am available to help you, guide you, and speed up your process and boost your career. No more Googling. If you have a problem or an issue, you contact me on the Discord, where it will be filled with other students. We will collaborate and discuss and learn 3D together.